Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And it is Friday, March the 18th, 2022, 4:59 p.m. You know I'm home from work and Paper Pumpkin was on my doorstep. So let's get started and see what is in this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. Let's get overhead. Isn't that pretty box? It's called Beyond the Horizon. Now, if you've been following me on my channel, on my YouTube channel, you know that I've been obsessed just a little bit with the On the Horizon bundle. So Beyond the Horizon, do you think it has something to do with that set? Okay, so here's a big thank you. So we're so grateful for all of our Paper Pumpkin subscribers, so we decided to include not one, but 2 stamp sets in this month's kit. And there's so much more, like paper pieces and embellishments that perfectly coordinate with the New Horizons Suite collection in our January to June 2022 mini catalog, which means even more exclusive, elegant watercolor designs curated by our in-house artists just for you. We can't wait to see how you take the kit and your creativity beyond the horizon. So let's get started. You can scan this QR code for the New Horizons Suite collection. And then next month's kit, they always say that beautiful things take time, but with April's kit, you'll make beautiful creations in no time at all. Celebrate the milestones in your life and all the lives, excuse me, I got so excited I'm choking, and all the lives of those you love with this transformative kit. Watch your little baby caterpillars grow and change into bedazzling butterflies. That sounds interesting. And inspire those around you to do the same. So don't miss out. Again, scan that QR code. I haven't scanned it yet, so I don't know where it takes you. That's probably somewhere good. Let me just get a sip of my water. Very happy it's Friday. Yay, Friday. Went to work yesterday and there was snow on the ground, and I wore my winter boots and I wore my coat with a fur trim and a scarf. When I left work, I felt like an idiot because I saw people in shorts. It got so warm yesterday. Shorts was a bit much, but okay, so we have, time to celebrate. Sending you birthday wishes, best wishes, and celebrate. And we've got, looks like lots of two-step stamping. And we also have, we never figure out which side's up. Thinking of you, hello, thanks, congratulations, a little note, and we've got, I will always be here for you, and we've got like chevron type, and we've got a leaf here. And we have, looks like some pale papaya ribbon. Just going to open that up so you can see it. It probably tells us on the inside what's included, but I'll show you while I've got this open. Some really nice pale papaya. It's like cotton ribbon. Nice. Oh, Misty Moonlight, my favorite in color, that's retiring this year. It is retiring this year. Some pretty yellow paper. And we've got Beyond the Horizon. So March 2022 kit. Let me open this up and I'm going to share with you the components of the kit. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. And I know I shouldn't say the Christmas word since the weather has finally changed. I'm declaring it on March the 18th. We're not getting any more snow. That you can take that to the weatherman. So the kit components has supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Evening Evergreen, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Old Olive, and Pale Papaya. And here's some do more with these kits and another QR code. So you can do more with this month's kit. Here are the instructions. if you want the instructions. I love how they have it's all pictorial, the instructions now, and along that edge they've got the ruler, which I really love. Okay, so let me share with you what's in the kit. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Okay, we'll start off with, we have glue dots. No, sorry, not glue dots. Dimensionals. These are glue dots. Ooh, these are iridescent rhinestones. And how there's lots. I would count them, but there's lots you can count. See how many that's in there. Wow, look at these envelopes. I love Stampin' Up's envelopes. I'm so weird like that. Oh, wait, do you see the card bases? So we've got 1, 2, 3 in the pale papaya, 3 in the old olive, and 3 in the bumblebee. Ooh, and there's pretty design on the inside liners. Love that. I love it when they have decorative envelopes. Love it. Oh wow, look at this card base. And they're full-size cards, 5.5 by 8.5. Yeah, they're full-size cards, which is great. Look at that. So we've got 3 of this pattern, 3 of that pattern. Let me show you all the patterns first. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. 3 of this pattern. And, oh, this is, I thought it was using the chevron stamp, but it's not. It's a card base and 3 of this pattern. We have 4 banners in this style and 4 in the rectangle style, long style. We have 4 in this bumblebee. Is it bumblebee or pale papaya? I think it might be pale papaya. Sorry. Oh, it might be bumblebee. It might be bumblebee. I might have them wrong. This one might be bumblebee, and this one might be pale papaya. Yeah, because pale papaya is pretty pale. So yeah, that's pale papaya. This one's bumblebee. And then we have 3 in this style, 3 in that style, and we have 3 in this style, in this color. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. We've got 3 in this sort of chevron going in multiple directions. 3 of those. I'll peel one out so you can see it. Like that. 3 like that. Oh wow, so many. We've got 3 in this old olive here. 3 like that. We have 3 like this. So many. We have 3 of these larger ones in a polka dot. 1, 2, 2, 3. I'm just checking to see how many. We've got 3 sheets of this, and each sheet has 1 of this die cut, 1 of this, 1 of this, 1 of this, 1 of this mountain, and 1 of this mountain. And there's 3 sheets, so there's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Wow-wee. And let me share with you a close-up one more time. I'm looking at the cards. There's a close-up one more time of the cards that you can make. Isn't that pretty? Now, I've said this many times before. If you go into Paper Pumpkin, the Paper Pumpkin fan club page on Facebook, once a month they do a Facebook Live, and you can go back and watch it. You don't have to be there to watch it live, on alternate projects. So look out for that. And sometimes the projects that they come out with are just like mind-blowing because they're so awesome. I usually like to make the kits as they are, just because it's a really simple way to craft. It's a no-brainer, and it's one of those, you just want to get into the mood and create some cards, really beautiful cards. So I usually make them as they are, but if you wait for the alternate projects, they're really beautiful. Take care, have a good one, happy stamping.